And now it's time for the world's most funniest TV show, Family Guy. Hey, I'm Peter Griffin. Woohoo, Peter Griffin! Yeah, from Family Guy. Woohoo, yeah! And I'm Peter. I have some good news. Really good news. And I killed Meg.
Yes!
She was so annoying.
Woohoo!
We had to get rid of her.
Yeah! Get her out of here! She's out of here! Yeah!
Now, instead of Meg being with us on the show, we're replacing her with a monkey. Peter! 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 Get back in the kitchen, woman, and make me a sandwich. You stupid monkey! Get your hands off me, you damn dirty ape! Go away, monkey! Oh yeah? I kinda like the monkey. I would like to give it a big hug. Aw, the monkey kissed me. Now we can get married to the monkey. Ew, gross. What the deuce? Why are you so disgusting? Ew. Giggity, giggity, giggity. I'm Glenn Quagmire. Giggity, giggity, giggity. And I'm going to have sex with a monkey. Giggity, 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 giggity. Quagmire? The monkey's not interested. And plus, that's illegal to fuck monkeys. Okay? No more. Giggity, 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 giggity. Giggity, 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 giggity. Quagmire! Shut the fuck up! Quiet! Shut up! Quagmire? What does the word giggity mean? I don't get it anymore. Oh, giggity? I don't know. That's just some weird, Then why do you say it when you don't know what it is? Really?